Guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company HerGivenHair. But of course, before I get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn those notifications on so that you do not miss a video. Of course, you guys see Jada running around in the background, but this unit that I am going to be showing you guys is the Proud of Your Coily wig, and it is in the length 14 inches. The hair weight on it is 190 grams. This is only a lace closure wig, so it does have a lace size of 4 by 4 inches, and I do have a Capsize small. Now, it does come with your soft lace. You do get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap. They also do include an elastic band in the box. And then I just wanted to show you guys what the parting space looks like, because it does look really good in case you don't want to use the bang area. So this is what the unit looks like on the mannequin head. I decided to go ahead and add some color to this unit. So I'm just going to use my 40 volume developer and my L'Oreal Quick Blue. And I'm just going to randomly take pieces throughout the wig and just spread it on. I do not want it to be perfect, so the pieces don't matter to me. It doesn't matter where I'm getting it at. It might look a little bit sloppy right now, but of course, once I am done, it is going to all come together. So I'm just going to take random pieces, and I'm making sure to wear gloves, and I also do have a towel underneath so it doesn't get everywhere. And then I am just going to work my way up. I won't be filming the whole process, but you guys probably get the idea of what I am doing. It is the summertime, so of course I wanted to get something that would be a little bit lighter and just kind of fun to play with. I do a lot of natural colored units, so I wanted to just try something different with this curl pattern. And this is my first time working with HerGivenHair, so of course, you guys have requested this video. You guys have asked me to try it out and give my opinion on their unit. The next clip is going to be what it looks like after I am completely done and the unit has been freshly washed. I did go ahead and wash this unit using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. I did have a good time detangling this unit because the coils were so tight and small that I did get some shedding during the washing process. I just want you guys to know that. However, once I detangled everything out, it was very easy for me to work with, which you guys will see in the next clip. So I'm just pinning up some hair, and then I'm going to use the Lotta Body Milk and Honey. I'm going to use the curl mousse and also the leave-in conditioner. Now, this is my first time using the leave-in conditioner, so I wasn't sure how that was going to hold up. I also did not want to end up putting too much product in the hair because this was my first time working with the wig, and every wig takes different to products, so I wasn't sure if it was going to be too light or if it was going to be too thick. But I'm using a detangling brush, and you guys see how easy that is for me to run the brush through without getting any snags. So after brushing the hair, I decided that the leave-in just wasn't enough, so I'm going to go in with the Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream, and I'm just going to run that through the hair and then brush it all through. And then I'm just going to work my way up and just take each section and brush it through also. Guys, excuse my mannequin for kind of moving around. My stand is becoming loose. I did have to order a new stand, so I will make sure to leave a link down below for the new stand that I did have to order. I feel like that one was just a little bit more sturdier. I've moved up to the very front area where the bang part is. I just want to show you guys what it looks like, and I'm just going to make sure to brush everything out, and I'm taking my time with defining the curls in the very front because I want my bangs to be really nice and curly. Alright guys, so this is the final product on the mannequin head. I decided to go ahead and go with the wash and go. I did kind of play in it a little bit, as you guys can see. But there are different videos all over YouTube on this particular unit. Some have showed it in a wash and go, others have showed it in a twist out, but I wanted to do the wash and go because I felt like it was just a little bit easier for me to do at that moment. But a twist out looks really good from the other videos that I have seen. So I'm just going to take my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm just going to run it throughout the rest of the hair. This is going to help me control any type of frizziness because this hair is a nice kinky texture, so it is going to get a little bit frizzy on me. And this hair, as you guys can see, is very, very thick. Like, this hair is very thick. I actually wanted to kind of thin it out some, but I did not want to mess up my unit. So this is definitely going to be something that I have to work with to kind of frame it to my face and just make it look good, because I'm not used to this short kind of curly unit with bangs in my face. So I wasn't too sure how I felt about it. The hair looks really good. As far as the texture of it goes, I love the texture. As far as the fit on this unit goes, I'm so happy that I picked a small, because it fits my hair really, really good, which I was happy about. I didn't have to go in with an elastic band, and I also didn't have to pin it down with bobby pins. Now I'm just taking some scissors and going around my face and just cutting some of the hair down, just so that it can frame my face really well. Of course, I do have a rounder face, so I have to make sure that everything looks good, because of course you do not want to add any age to your face, or you don't want to add any extra pounds also. So after fluffing it up, this is how it all comes out together. I think it came out really cute. Of course, I still have to get used to the style. That is what the parting space looks like. I think it looks really good. Now, I did decide to go ahead and bleach the knots on the unit. You do not have to, however, because of course, the knots are really small. You could just add powder and foundation, but I just wanted to bleach them just in case I did not want to wear the bang. Now, I did go ahead and add some glasses on for you guys, because I wanted to play around with this unit. My husband said I definitely look like somebody's fine auntie. This hair is definitely one for me to get used to, but overall, I like it, guys. I actually like the color that I did on this. I'm so happy that I decided to add color to this. You guys have to let me know what you feel about this unit. My only con about this unit is you will get a lot of shedding throughout the styling process, but they also give you a ton of hair. Now, this unit is also more on the high maintenance side, which means you will have to put some work into it when you are styling it. But I do think that it is a very cute unit. You just have to kind of shape it to your face. Guys, let me know what you think about this unit. I know some of you are going to feel it, and some of you are going to be like, that ain't it. But if you are interested in this unit, I'll make sure to leave all the details down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel once again. Turn those notifications on, share, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.